How to reset a forgotten password on ProRealTime. Hi everybody, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are gonna learn how to reset your password if you've forgotten it while logging into your ProRealTime account. First things first, launch open the ProRealTime app on your device, or you may also go visit the ProRealTime website. Once you get to the login screen, simply click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will take you to the password reset process. Choose your account type from the menu and click Next. On the next page, type down your credential. Type in your email address associated with your account and click on Send. You'll receive a password reset link sent to you via email inbox. Now open up your email and you'll receive an email from ProRealTime. Open it up and then you'll need to click on the link provided to choose a new password. Select a web browser of your preference after you do that, and then you'll be taken to the password reset page. Here, go ahead and enter a new password you want to change to. Once you are done, head over to the next field and re-enter the new password. Finally, click Submit. Your password has been changed successfully. Now you can log in to your ProRealTime account with the newly updated password. Get to the login area and type in your email and the new password and click Login. You'll then be able to log into your ProRealTime account. Don't forget the newly updated password. You'll need it while signing in every time. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.